Hello, today we will guide you through how to find my partner code in Exness App. To get started, open the Exness App on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the correct account so you can access your profile and referral-related options without any confusion. Once the app has fully loaded, you'll be ready to navigate to the area where your partner details can be found. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Profile. This section usually contains your account settings, personal options, and other useful tools connected to your Exness account. If you do not immediately notice the option you need, don't worry, because it is slightly farther down in the profile page. After opening your profile, scroll down toward the bottom of the screen. As you move down the page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Earn Stable by Introducing. This is the area connected to inviting others and accessing your partner or referral information. Depending on your app version, the layout may look a little different, but the wording should be similar enough to identify easily. Once you find Earn Stable by Introducing, tap on it to open the referral section. This is where Exness provides the tools you need to share your invitation with others. In many cases, your partner code is included within the referral link or associated with the sharing option available on this page. That means this section is the right place to access the information you need. From here, tap on Share Link. When you do this, the app will prepare your referral link so you can send it through messaging apps, email, or other sharing methods available on your device. You can then send that link to your friend directly. If you are specifically looking for your partner code, it may appear as part of the referral link that is generated, so take a moment to review it before sending if needed. As a helpful tip, if you want to keep your code for later use, you can copy the shared link and save it somewhere convenient, such as your Notes app. This can make it easier to access again without having to repeat the full process each time. And that's it. You've now learned how to locate the referral area and access the share link where your partner code can typically be found in the Exness app.